Morning students, how are you today? I hope today you have a wonderful day. So before we start, I want to review first about homophone. Do you still remember about homophone? Raise your hand if you know what is homophone means. Okay, thank you for your raising hands. Now we will move on to our new topic. It's about phrase. Okay, the learning objective of phrase is identifying and understanding different types of phrases like verb phrases, noun phrases, and adjective phrases can be expressed using phrases themselves. This is the learning objective of phrases. Next slide. So the definition is a noun phrase is a group of words or more words that function like a noun when put together. So, this one example of noun phrase. Here, there is one sample. The red book is very interesting. So, do you know which one is the modifier and do you know which one is the head of noun? Here is the adjective and book is a noun or the head of a noun in this sample. So, when we combine red and book here, both of them become noun phrase. When we combine adjective and noun and with modifier also, but we just look at the adjective plus noun. The head noun here, when we combine this all become noun phrase. Okay, this one example of noun phrase. Noun phrase is a combination of an action verb and a helping verb, which is also known as an auxiliary verb. Example of a verb phrase. I am teaching English. So here am, as we know, and here as the helping verb. Am is was a verb that's helping verb. And teaching here is the action verb. So when am and teaching put together or combined together, we continue to adjective phrase. Adjective phrase is a group of words that function together to describe or modify a noun or pronoun in more detail. It means like, as we know more or a lot of adjective. It's only one word. But when we talk about adjective phrase, there is a sentence that will explain more about adjective phrase. Here, the soft, fluffy pillow felt comfortable. Okay, so soft here is the modifier, and the fluffy here the adjective, and also pillow here is a noun. Because why pillow is a noun? Because we can see the thing. We can see the physical of pillow, so we call it this one noun. Then when we combine modifier and adjective, soft, fluffy, we put together, we call it adjective phrase. So that's why in this long sentence, the soft, fluffy pillow felt